What's up, guys? I'm Kenny and you're watching Grime Time with Kenny. If you watched my previous video doing the struts on the Buick LaCrosse, you noticed that I needed a lateral bar and it was bent. So today I'm going to show you how to replace that. But first and foremost, before we get to it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you click the bell. That way you can join the team and you never miss a video. So here we go. Yeah, so I'll put them on the subframe. So the current dilemma is getting this bolt out.
Which one?
That can't go no further.
Oh shit, what the hell?
It ain't even all the way in yet, so you still got that far to go.
To get it out?
Yeah. So we're gonna have to put a dent in your floor, cause I ain't dropping this whole cross member.
How the hell did they get it in there?
You had to drop the cross member. 4 bolts.
No.
He said no. Take me a damn hammer and put a dent there.
Yeah. Looked like somebody already did anyhow.
That might be where they did something.
Huh. Yep, get a hammer.
Get it. I gotta knock it back in now.
That's not body rust, that's goddamn frame.
Now I gotta get it started again.
Damn.
There we go.
I feel the move.
Yeah, it's loose. Yeah.
You gotta get it down.
Alright guys, so the bolt was hitting the tub for the spare tire, so I had to take a hammer and put a dent in it so I could pull the bolt out. He's got a new one. All pretty and black and adjustable. It's got a sleeve on it. That's to adjust your toe on the back. But now we got to figure out where to adjust it at, which obviously we're going to have alignment done, but
take a hammer and beat that fucker flat. We'll get as close as we can.
We could try it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to straighten this out, and then we're going to count the threads. Maybe count the threads on the other side, so kind of get an idea of how long we need it, and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, so now we got her straightened out to the right length. We couldn't count the threads because the sleeves are different sizes. See, this one's longer and this one's smaller. So what we did is we took a measuring tape and we measured from the inside of the holes from one side to the other, and we made it exactly the same. Also, these are right hand threads, these are left hand threads. Remember that when you go to adjust it. So now we just gotta put it back in. So here we go.
Yeah, those goddamn links ain't cheap over there, but fucking
How much? 12, 15 a piece?
31 a piece.
Damn! Should have waited and ordered Rock Auto. Could have gone for like 4 or 5 a piece. Plus shipping though. Still would have been worth it the way it sounds though.
Yeah, that kind of money. I didn't want to wait that long. Fuck it, let's get it done. Once the gas thing's done, except the brakes. Until I get right there.
Yeah, definitely. I need to hold that. Probably so. Yeah, deep well too. Yeah, I need one. I don't have one. Alright guys, so now we got her back in. Put that bolt in up there. Then this one. Obviously I didn't notice when I was taking it off, but this bolt goes all the way through. It's for both sides. So I had to hold it while I was putting the nut back on. But yeah, she's in there. So now we gotta take her and get alignment, make sure she's straightened out. So guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.